While the sisters were enjoying a luxury breakfast of fresh mangoes and coconuts at their favorite treehouse, they noticed a shadow sliding across the vibrant green of the jungle floor. It was a dark, swirling cloud, and from it emerged a menacing figure, the wicked witch of the jungle, Mochella. Her cackle echoed through the streets, chilling the sisters to their bones. Good morning, my little sparks of magic. Motella sneered, her eyes light with mischief. I have come to take what's rightfully mine. Ayla said, What do you mean, Motella? You are not welcome here. But Motella only laughed. A sound dripping with malice. With a flick of her wand, she produced a small shimmering vial filled with a swirling purple potion. This will enhance your greatest power. Drink it, and you will possess the strength to heal your entire jungle. Though intrigued, Anastasia felt a warning tug at her heartstrings. That sounds too good to be true. She